Today, let's see exactly what is taking up space in your hard drive so you can clean it up fast. The first method is to open your File Explorer down below into your tasks bar. Once we are directly inside here, I'm going to click directly into the left section that says This PC. Here, for example, we don't have the blue or the red bars under the C or the D elements. If this one turns out to be red, you are in danger zone and need to delete some files immediately. This is the most easiest way to see the status of your local disk. Now, the second method is the actual deep dive. Let's go for some more advanced solutions. I'm going to focus for settings down below into my tasks bar. Inside here, into the left section, let's go for system. Now, let's click directly inside the element that says storage. Once we are directly inside storage, let's say, yes, I want to allow this application to make changes to my actual device. Windows will take a second scan to your drive. So it will, of course, breaks everything down into categories like installed applications, pictures, temporary files. This is the best way to find out if it's a giant game or just a bunch of old downloads cluttering your actual system. So what you wanted to do is to deep dive into each one of them. For example, let's say installed applications. You click directly inside here and you can sort them by, let's say, for example, which one is larger, and make sure that you are actually using this. For example, if you don't use, for example, the BlueStacks anymore, then what you can do is to just go for the three dots, uninstall, and you have more space available. The same thing happens with all the elements that appears directly inside them. Let's head back directly into the system storage. Now, a pro tip that I can give you is that while you are into the storage settings, you want to toggle into the storage census and you wanted to enable this element. This is a built-in Windows feature that automatically deletes temporary files and empties your recycle bin when your space gets low. Turn it on once and forget about it, and you're actually good to go. So if you have any more questions, you can let me know into the comments below. Usually here the storage management, for example, has the cleanup recommendations that can be helping you to check out files that maybe the computer understands that you might not need anymore. So here, for example, large and unused files, you might be wanting to check that out. Select the element that you think that you no longer need it, and you're actually good to go. So hopefully this was a very useful information for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.